There are three key components in the results section of a scientific research article: data,
figures and tables,
and patterns and trends. To illustrate these key components, we'll examine excerpts from a fictional scientific research article about varroa mites in honeybee colonies. This article examines which natural chemical treatment strategies are most effective for reducing the presence of varroa mites in honeybee colonies. In the results section, the writer describes their data in words. For example, they note that sucricide spray was the least effective treatment method for reducing the presence of varroa mites, Figure 1. This text provides the reader with specific information about this treatment method and its efficacy. The reference to Figure 1 is in parentheses so that the reader can opt to look at the figure to see the data for themselves. The writer also includes figures to visually illustrate specific data. In this varroa mite article, the writer has included Figure 1 as a bar graph called Varroa Mite Reduction and Natural Chemical Treatments. This graph indicates the efficacy of each treatment type, providing the reader with a visual representation of data that illustrates comparisons and relationships. Finally, the writer indicates what patterns and trends they've observed. They note, of the natural chemical treatments tested, formic acid was the most effective treatment for reducing the presence of varroa mites. In Colony 1, formic acid strips reduced the mite population by 62%. Similarly, in Colony 2, formic acid strips reduced the mite population by 60%. Here, the writer directs the reader's attention to an important similarity between two colonies. Providing your results through three key components, data, figures, and patterns and trends, you offer your reader multiple ways to engage with and understand the findings of your research.